Let's go over how to create a cash memo in QuickBooks. We'll also show you how to use the undeposited funds account so you can group transactions together into a single deposit to match your bank records. Note that if a customer pays you for their purchase right away, you record a cash memo. But if they're going to pay you later, then you create an invoice. We'll go over that in a separate video. To start, go to the New menu and select Cash Memo. Customer information is optional on a cash memo. But if you want to track your sales by customer, you should enter it. The date of the sale defaults to today, but you can change it if the sale happened on another day. For payment method, choose how your customer paid you. If you want to add a new payment type, you can select Add New. For this example, we'll select cash. But if we got paid with a check, we can record the check number. Next, tell QuickBooks where you're going to deposit the money. For this example, we will select Undeposited Funds. Undeposited funds is a temporary account that holds payments you plan to deposit later at the bank. It lets you easily combine several payments together into a single bank deposit. However, if you are going to deposit this payment into the bank as a single transaction, then you can skip this and just select your current or savings account. Next, in the Products and Service area, enter what you sold your customer. If you already set up the product in QuickBooks, you will see the description and amount you entered earlier. You can also enter or change these while you create the cash memo. If you haven't entered this item yet, select Add New and enter it here. Choose everything that's included in this sale. Once you're done, select Save and Send if you want to send the customer a cash memo or one of the other save options if you don't. You'll see your customer's sales memo here. You can change the subject line and the body of the email that gets sent to your customer. Select Send and close when you're ready to send the cash memo. Now you're ready to create your own cash memo.